Hi guys, welcome back. So I took a bit of a rush of blood to the head and used up the last of that tin of enamel spray paint doing the bottom as well. I figured we might as well give it another 70 odd years of protection. So at this point just need to stick the legs back on and flip it over. So once again using the Whitworth sockets. They're a bit of a weird thing, Whitworth sockets. So the Whitworth socket, this one's a 1/4 inch. It's actually measuring the thread of the bolt as discrete from the size of the head. So they had standardised head sizes, unlike modern nuts and bolts, which generally you would measure the actual head for the socket. But yeah, this is a Whitworth 1/4 inch drive socket. So very specific, and so I don't need to use that whacking great big pipe wrench again. I've just put a mole grip on this one, a vice grip. So yeah, we're just going to refit these legs here and then flip it over, and then we can get rid of the blanket for a bit and move on with the next piece of the strip down, which is going to be the tailstock, and taking the quill out, particularly preparing all of that for paint. So but all I'm doing here is putting these 4 bolts back in. Now the pulley unit is going to need to be repainted as well, so I'll not be putting the 2 bolts that hold the pulley unit back in just yet. There we go, so just ready to nip these up. They don't need massive loss of force. Don't want to over torque these because I'm actually torquing these here into cast iron through cast aluminium, so just enough is the key, I think. Okay, let's see how we look. Yeah, some improvement. If you remember the ball of rust that it was before, let me just flick up a picture of that in case you've come to this video rather than starting at the start of the series. What a difference, absolutely sparkling. The ways on top absolutely clear of rust, nicely oiled down, fresh coat of enamel inside and out. Nice. Just a quick one for today guys, but I just wanted to share that with you. That is a really pleasing outcome, so I will crack on now with the strip down of the remaining components and similar de-rusting of those. So thanks for watching. Take it easy and I'll see you next time. Cheers.